Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to implement TabBar in Swift. So before starting the tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. First of all, we need to create a project. We are selecting the app, naming the project, selecting the Swift and storyboard as it is. Now selecting the workspace. So first of all, we'll just go to storyboard class. Here we will select this view controller and go to editor and embed in TabBar controller. As we have selected this, it has created already the TabBar controller and the items in it. So by default it will create one item. Now we will create more items, let's say 3 items. We will just click on this and Control C and Control V. Again Control C and Control V. So we have created 3 items like this, just sorting out. Now as we have not linked these two items, we'll just simply doing it by clicking on control button and then click here and then drop it here and selecting view controller segue. As you can see, now it has created 2 items. Again clicking on here first, then pressing the control button and then clicking here and dragging to this item and then selecting view controller again. As we can see, there are 3 more items. Now time to just link these items to our Swift classes so that we can do anything programmatically, not just by doing it here. So we will create 2 more classes. Let's say recent view controller. We have created a recent view controller. Again we are creating a new file, selecting Cocoa Touch class and history, and we have already this class. We'll just rename it. Favorite. Now we will just go to again this main view controller and select this. Now we will go to inspector class and then we will just use this. Okay, it is already favorite. It has already this class linked to it. Now we will go to this and it will we will link this class to our let's say recent view controller and this class to history view controller. Now all these items are linked to these Swift classes. Now we will just make a UI change so that we can change the items view controller widgets programmatically like this. Now time to just link this to our Swift classes. Now we'll just pressing the control button and then dragging this to our class. This is a save label and connecting this, and in this view did load. Again in the recent view controller we are doing the same, and recent label we'll do the same, but we are changing the name of the label so that we can differentiate between the labels when we click on the bottom items. Okay, so we are done. We'll just run our example. So our example is all done and it's in the simulator already running there, and here we have these tabs we are selecting and it's being changed here. So just we needed to do one change also. Just go to main storyboard and select these items view controllers and just change the icons accordingly. Like I changed these icons, you can change according to your needs. So that's all I think in this tutorial. I hope you guys understood this tutorial, and please let me know in the comment section if you find any issue or if you don't understand anything. And also please let me know if you want another tutorial in the comment section as well. I hope we'll meet soon, and we'll be back with another tutorial. Bye guys, thank you.